Accounting for Partnership Fundamental, class 12. We will study in this video calculation of interest on capital and calculation of interest on drawing. If a partnership firm permits, the firm allows interest to partners on their capital contribution. If there is no any rate of interest is given, then interest on capital is not calculated. Interest on capital is appropriation, not a charge, so it is allowable only if the firm has sufficient profit for covering the interest on capital. Interest on capital, interest is calculated on opening balance of capital only, not on closing balance of capital. Then if the closing balance of capital is given in firm, it will be first calculated opening capital of the partners. How opening balance of capital will be calculated? It will be calculated closing capital plus drawing minus profit is equal to opening balance of capital. Furthermore, the balance of capital given in balance sheet is always a closing capital, not opening capital. So, if the balance sheet in question is given, first of all, we require to calculate opening balance of capital. But partners may contribute capital in firm on different dates. In the beginning of the year, on 1st April, in the mid of the year, any time. Then interest on capital is calculated for 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, and total is payable to that partner. The interest calculated on partner's capital is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account to the debit side, because this is loss for the firm. On the same way, interest on drawing is being income of the firm is credited to profit and loss appropriation account. Let us know how to calculate interest on capital. Calculation of interest on capital. Capital into rate by 100 into time. One thing carefully attend here, the time is useful only when the contribution is not for whole year. The contribution, suppose A has contributed on 1st April rupees 1 lakh and he has further contributed on 1st October 50,000, and the partnership deed permits interest at the rate of 10% per annum. At the rate of 10% per annum. How interest on capital payable to A will be calculated? His contribution is rupees 1 lakh for the whole year and his further contribution is rupees 50,000 for 6 months. Then the interest will be calculated for rupees 1 lakh for the whole year and for 6 months on rupees 50,000. It will be calculated 1 lakh into 10 by 100, 50,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. I want to clear here that I have not used here time, because this is for 1 year. It means 12 by 12 and nothing will be after dividing, it will be 1 only. But the overall interest is 10,000 here and 50,000, 6% is 3,000, at the rate of 10% is 5,000 and half is 2500. The total interest is 12,500 payable to A. It will be debited to profit and loss appropriation account while we will prepare profit and loss account. Interest on capital is income for partner but expense for partnership firm. Whatever a partner receives from firm is regarded as income of partner, but the same is expense for partnership firm. Calculation of interest on capital is most important topic for preparation of profit and loss account, because we transfer interest on capital to the debit side for calculating distributable divisible profit. In the same way, now we will learn calculating interest on drawing. Interest on drawing. Interest on drawings. There are so many situations in which a partner withdraws for his household expense from the firm and firm charges interest for that withdrawals. This is possible only when the partnership deed permits and the rate of interest on drawing is given in partnership deed. There are so many types of drawing. Point number 1. If a partner withdraws any amount during financial year, but the date of drawing is not given. First one is date of drawing. Date of drawings is not given. In fact, partner has drawn from the firm, but the date of drawing is not given in question. In such a situation, interest on drawing is calculated on average basis always. Once again, when the date of drawing is not given in question, the interest on drawing is calculated on average basis. For example, suppose he has drawn 1 lakh and the rate of interest is 10% and date is not given, it will always be calculated for average basis for half year, because it will be assumed that he has withdrawn not in the beginning of the year, not at the end of the year, but he has withdrawn in the mid of the year. So interest on drawing is calculated on average basis when the date of drawing is not given in question. The second one is drawing may be on monthly basis and quarterly basis, half yearly basis. Now concentrate when drawing has been made on monthly basis. Monthly basis, there may be 3 situations. In the beginning of each month, in the middle of each month, or at the end of each month. What is meaning of this statement is in the beginning of each month, 1st January, 1st February, 1st March, 1st April, in this way, and middle of each month, 15 January, 15 February, 15 March, in this way, and at the end of each month means 31st January, 28th February, 31st March, and so on. Then interest on drawing, calculation of interest on drawing becomes some critical when the drawing has been made in the beginning, middle and end. But when drawings are made in the beginning of each month, it is calculated for 6.5 months. and when he has drawn drawn at the middle of each month, it is calculated for 6 months. And if drawings has been made at the end of each month, it is calculated for 5.5 months. This is time only. Amount rate will be the same given in the question, but if the drawing has been made in the beginning of each month, it will be calculated for 6.5 months only, and 6 month only, and 5.5 month only. In fact, this is based on a formula n plus 1 by 2, n plus 0 by 2, or n minus 1 by 2. How I have derived 6.5, 6 and 5.5. N denotes the number of months in a year. We know there are 12 months in a year. Then 12 plus 1, 13 by 2 is equal to 6.5. 12 plus 0, 12 by 2, 6. And 12 minus 1, 11 by 2, 5.5 months. Then let us know how interest on drawing will be calculated when monthly drawing has been made. Suppose A has drawn 2000 per month, 2000 per month in the beginning of each month. In the beginning of each month. Then the overall, he has total drawn 24,000, 2000 per month, and in 12 months he has drawn 24,000. And suppose the rate of drawing is 10%, 10 by 100, and beginning of the each month 6 by 5 by 12. And if he has drawn for the middle of each month, this will be the same. Here the time will 6 by 12, and if he has drawn at the end of each month, 24,000 into 10 by 100 into 5.5 by 12. If drawing has been made in the beginning of each month, we will calculate interest on drawing for 6.5 month, in the middle of each month for 6 months, or at the end of each month 5.5 month. In the same way, interest on drawing may be required to be calculated when drawings are made on quarterly basis. What will happen? Quarterly basis. There may be 3 situations also. In the beginning of each quarter, it is year month, quarter, in the beginning of each quarter, middle of each quarter, at the end of each quarter. Then we will calculate 2.5 months, 2 months and 1.5 month. But here we will divide by 4, not by 12, because there are 4 quarters in a year. This one is also depend upon the same formula, n plus 1 by 2, n plus 0 by 2 and n minus 1 by 2. But the number of quarter in a year is 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, 2.5. 4 by 2, 2. And 4 minus 1, 3 by 2, 1.5 by 4. Suppose A has drawn rupees 2000 per quarter. Then how it will be calculated? A has drawn 2000 per quarter. The overall drawing is 2000 into 4, 8000, and the rate is 10%, 10 by 100. For the beginning of each quarter, 2.5 by 4. 2 by 4 when middle of each quarter, and 1.5 by 4 at the end of each quarter. And in this way, interest on drawing will be calculated. There are so many calculations also required now, and we will meet in our next video.